let's go back to our data and let's get the data from our 0.61. So we know what we need. We need X, Y, X velocity, and Y velocity. So I'm going to copy that, go back, and let's just paste that into our calculator. We're going to go to our 0.61 millivolts tab, and let's just select on column B and then paste. And you'll see that we have ourselves an average angular velocity produced here. And our data points are going a little bit below that. That's great. So we won't have any zeros averaged in. That's one reason why I like the data to go a little bit farther. All right, so we have 1.81 now. So let's go ahead and go back. And I'm going to go to 1.81. And let's just open this. All right. So now we have ourselves an average angular velocity of 13.721. And our data is going right down to the edge there. That's awesome. And we do our incrementation. I would say we can leave this page out, but we don't need to. We increment between our voltage as well as our angular velocity. So for every time we go up, we go 10. Let me see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 points in between. So if you looked at our formulas here, you'll see we have 11 here. So 11 increments, and we just add 1 to each one. So we're adding these two together to get 0.71, and then these two together to get 0.82. No, this one and this one. So the voltage and the increments for the voltage, and then the increments for the velocity and the angular velocity. Increments for the angular velocity and the angular velocity. So we get ourselves a nice linear fit here. And we have ourselves a, what do you call this here? We have ourselves a linear equation. And so it's letting you know what's happening at given points. So this is really good, okay? And they're going through every one. Again, this is a guess in here. It's incrementing, call that interpolation. And so based on that guess, we're coming up with an equation for a line. And it would just be a matter of determining if this equation is good and how good is it. We'll do that in the next experiment. So that'll be pretty much it for this experiment. Make sure you submit this file, and that'll be great.